In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple boards on Monday.com. This is a great way to tie related work together so you can see tasks from different teams or projects in one place without duplicating information. Let's walk through it step by step so you know exactly what to click and why. First, go to Monday.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have permission to edit the board you'll be working on. Permissions matter here because connecting boards requires the ability to add columns. Next, select the board where you want the connection to live and click to open it. Think of this as your main board, the one that will hold links to tasks on other boards. You're not moving or copying items, you're simply creating a live connection. On the right side of your columns, click the plus icon to add a new column. If your board has a lot of columns, you might need to scroll to the far right to find it. This is where you choose the type of column you want. From the column types, click Connect Boards. This special column lets you link items from other boards directly into this one. When you select it, you'll see a panel that lets you choose which boards to connect. Now select the boards you want to connect. You can pick more than one if your workflow spans multiple boards, such as a team board and a project board. Choose the boards that contain the tasks you want to reference here. Click Connect Boards to confirm. That adds the connection column to your board and saves your selection. You'll now see the new column ready to use on each item. You can create a mirror column now or do it later. A mirror column pulls specific fields like status, due date, or owner from the connected items and displays them on your main board. If you're just getting started, it's perfectly fine to skip this for now and add it once you know which fields you want to mirror. In any item row, click the plus icon inside the new connection column. This opens the item picker for the boards you connected so you can choose the exact tasks you want to link. Finally, select a task. You can link one or multiple items as needed. Once linked, you can jump to those items with a click, and if you later add a mirror column, their key details will appear automatically on this board. That's it. Sign in, open your board, add a Connect Boards column, choose the boards, confirm, optionally mirror, then pick the tasks you want linked. This keeps your work connected, visible, and easy to manage.